invite you now to prepare for this guided meditation by sitting upright as is comfortable for your body. And let's take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath in. Exhaling, letting your body relax. Good. And sending the message to every muscle in your body. Relax and let go. Relax and let go. Becoming aware of your feet and your calves. Sending the message, relax. Relax. Allowing your abdomen and stomach to relax. Becoming aware of your hands. Letting your fingers be relaxed. Your hands open, symbolic, receptive to that Christ presence, that divine presence within you. Relaxing your arms, your shoulders. Becoming aware of the muscles in your back. Sending the message, relax, relax. Relaxing the muscles in your chest. Relaxing and letting go. Knowing that right where you are, Spirit is. Spirit is expressing and being you right now, right here. And you are now open and receptive to that activity, to that flow of Spirit. Relaxing the muscles in your chest. Becoming aware of your neck, relaxing the neck, the front, the back, the sides. Moving awareness into your jaw, letting your jaw relax. Relaxing the muscles in your face, your eyes, your nose, your forehead, your scalp. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet now. Scanning your body and seeing, is there still any place that needs to relax, needs to let go? Give your body a little break. Let it relax. Let it be still. And as your body relaxes, you can feel your mind starting to become calmer and more receptive to the Spirit of God that dwells within you, expressing as you. Just like a wave is an expression of the ocean, you are a wave in the great ocean of Spirit. This was the message of Jesus 2,000 years ago. I am the way, the truth, and the life. The I am, another name for God. The I am in you. Your consciousness, I am. Without labels, without roles. Just your pure awareness, I am. Know that statement within yourself, I am. You are the way to experiencing the reality of God, of Source. For you are the very living expression of this presence. Moses first encountered Jehovah in the wilderness with the burning bush. And God said his name, I am that I am. I am aware that I am aware. And then Jesus identified with the I am and often said it. I am the resurrection and the life. Again, the God in you, the God as you, is the resurrection and the life of your experience, of your mind, of your heart, of your body, of the activities in your life. I am. Spirit is the source, and it is being you, the I am. Know that the I am is your true identity. Whole, complete, perfect, without labels, without attachments, pure being. I am. Take a moment now in the quiet and know for yourself that you are one with the life of Spirit. You are one with the resurrecting power. I am the resurrection and the life. I am the resurrection and the life. Know that within yourself now in the silence. And listen and wait and feel and experience the truth. I am my true identity, spiritual being, that which Jesus knew and demonstrated to the amazement of everyone, demonstrating the reality of what it means to be a spiritual being, to know your true identity as a child of God, an expression of the infinite. And he said, follow me. Follow me in the path of overcoming. And for a moment, let us know this reality for our friends and family and loved ones. See them and know for them, you are a spiritual being. You are the I am. You are the resurrection and the life. Look beyond any appearances of lack or limitation. And know for them that they are whole and complete. See them radiant beings of spiritual light. Their true identity, shining through their eyes, through their faces, through their bodies. And know for them that all is well on that deepest of levels, in that highest dimension of their being, the true identity of who they are, all is well. For they too are one with Spirit. Spirit is being them. And we expand our awareness to include every person on the planet. Every person a spiritual being. We include the earth itself. We include all life. And we send forth waves of peace and love and joy and harmony to every person, to all those in Ukraine, in Russia, around the world, everywhere. And we recognize and feel ourselves one with Spirit, one with Source, and one with harmony and peace, everywhere present. Peace on earth, goodwill toward all, the Great One said. And now we bring our awareness back to our physical body, back to the room where we are. Moving hands, moving fingers, feeling the ground beneath us, grounding ourselves and knowing that in some way I am different. In some way I have released more of who I am in this time of stillness. And now I let it unfold. I let it express. And so it is. Amen.
Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.